Every day, in different parts of the world, there are fewer physical jobs available compared to the number of people living in those areas. As a result, many people become worried or stressed about finding work. They actively look for jobs, but there are more job seekers than there are available positions. Today's video is all about how to make money online without having to invest any money upfront. I shall be sharing the top 8 online businesses that you can start and enjoy from the comfort of your own home, allowing you to spend more quality time with your family. In these type of businesses, there's no requirement for renting a physical shop, buying expensive machinery, or acquiring any physical tools. Before we dive into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon for updated on all the latest videos. Now, let's get started our video. How to make money online with zero investment. First way to make money online with freelance work. In freelance work, figure out what you are good at and what services you can offer as a freelancer. Showcase your work and skills potential to clients by creating an impressive portfolio. Find a reputable freelance platform that matches your skills and interests. Browse through job listings and find projects that align with your expertise. Write a persuasive proposal that highlights your skills and why you are the best fit for the job. Set your rates competitively to attract clients while still valuing your work. Always strive to deliver exceptional work that exceeds client expectations. Nurture relationships with clients to secure repeat business and positive referrals. Maintain a consistent work ethic and meet deadlines to build a strong reputation. Continuously learn and develop new skills to stay competitive in the freelance market. Second way to make money online is create optimized YouTube channel or create FEPspot channel. It's like a YouTube channel. Or create optimized Rumble channel. It is also like a YouTube channel. Create high quality content, build your audience, monetize your channel, and earn money. Third ways to make money online is dropshipping business model. Choose a niche and research popular products within that niche. Create a business plan and register your business. Find reliable suppliers and wholesalers for the products you plan to sell. Set up an online store, add products, and handle orders and customer service. With these methods, you can make money online, whether it's through creating content or starting a dropshipping business. The opportunities are endless. Start today and turn your online presence into a profitable venture. Fourth way to make money online is taking online survey. Taking online surveys can be a modest way to make money online. Find legitimate survey websites, create an account, complete your profile, browse and participate in surveys, and make money online. Fifth way to make money online is blogging. Creating a blog can be rewarding, but it requires time, effort, and dedication. Choose your blog niche, select a blogging platform, set up your blog, create high-quality content, promote your blog, utilize monetization options, and make money online. Sixth way to make money online. If you are passionate about a particular topic, writing and publishing an ebook can be a profitable way to make money online. Start by selecting a niche or topic that aligns with your interests. Analyze the competition and identify gaps in existing ebooks to make yours stand out. Write well-researched, informative, and engaging content for your ebook. Don't forget to edit and proofread carefully to eliminate errors. Design an eye-catching ebook cover that reflects the content and attracts potential readers. Research ebook pricing in your niche and choose a platform to publish your ebook. Encourage readers to leave reviews on your ebook's sales page to boost sales and credibility. Seventh way to make money online. Creating an app is another viable way to make money online. Start by identifying a unique and valuable app idea that addresses a specific need or problem. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience and competitors. Design a user-friendly interface, write the code, and test rigorously to ensure functionality and reliability. Monetize your app through in-app purchases, subscriptions, ads, or paid downloads. Effective marketing and promotion are crucial to attract users and drive app download. Continuously update and improve your app based on user feedback to maintain and grow your user base. Eighth way to make money online. If you have expertise in academic subjects, specialized skills, or languages, becoming a virtual tutor can be a lucrative way to earn money online. Offer your tutoring services through online platforms or your own website. Set your rates, establish a virtual classroom with essential tools, and market your services effectively. Personalize your teaching approach to accommodate individual learning styles and gather feedback to continually enhance your tutoring methods. As you build a reputation for delivering valuable education, your income as a virtual tutor can grow steadily while making a positive impact on your students' educational journeys. So these are the 8 ways to make money online. Thanks for watching.